Hello, in front of me I've got MINI Countryman R60. In this video we'll talk about common reliability issues. Firstly, let's start with engine problems. In the beginning, the timing chain issues in 1.6 liter turbo N40 and N80 engines, common in Cooper S and JCW models. The symptoms of this problem are rattling noise at startup, rough idle and loss of power. The fix price is $1,500 to £2,500 or dollars. Next we've got oil leaks. Valve cover gasket and oil filter housing gasket tends to leak over time. Symptoms are burning oil smells, oil stains under car. Replace gasket is $300 to $700. Next we can find carbon buildup on intake valves. Affects turbocharged model N14 and N18 engines. Symptoms are loss of power, rough idle and misfires. Fix walnut blasting cleaning, which takes $400 to $800 every 60,000 km. Next we can find transmission and drivetrain issues, electrical issues, faulty water pump, power steering issues, window regulators and door lock fails, suspension issues, suspension wear, rust in wheels, arches and undercarriage. And that's basically it for most common problems. How to avoid these issues? Look for a 2014 Model Plus B48 engine to avoid timing chain issues. Check service records, avoid early N14 engines and get a pre-purchase inspection. If well maintained, the R60 can be good buy, but early turbo models have costly issues. A 214 Plus Cooper S Countryman with the B48 engine is the most reliable choice. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.